Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure Anaconda. So Anaconda is a software which comes with Python and R programming tools for for data science and machine learning environments. So to install Anaconda, first open a browser and search Anaconda download. So the first link is official website of Anaconda. Here we go. This is the download button. Click here. There are three options depending upon your operating system: Windows, Mac OS and Linux, and depending upon your architecture, which is 64-bit or 32-bit. Click and download the file. Since my file has been downloaded, I'll click here. The installer has begun. Click next. Accept terms and condition. Click next. All user means if you want to grant privilege to all user or just me. Click next. Click install. It's installing. It's gonna take some time. Okay, it's completed. Click next. Click next. Click finish. So my Anaconda has been installed in my system. I'll search here Anaconda. Here you can see Anaconda Navigator. Click here. So this is Anaconda Navigator. We are going to launch Jupyter, which is a web-based interactive computing notebook environment where we are going to run our Python programs. So Jupyter is about to run. It's starting. There are so many tools we can use lot of, but in basic lectures we are going to use Jupyter. So we are going to run a Python program by click to check that whether it's running or not. So click new Python 3. Now it's opening. Okay, I'm going to run a simple program which is hello print welcome to Jupyter. This is to check whether it's installed correctly or not. To run this, click shift and enter. Okay, it's working. I have given the